Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Style. I just want you guys to please check out this beautiful natural haircut. One thing with this style, like over the past several years, more black women have opted to go natural without chemical relaxers. No chemical straightening equates to having your thicker and healthier hair, so making this style a frequent go-to. We always show off your healthy hair, so you can always ask your stylist for those light colors or highlights to always add depth and jazz to your natural hair. So I just want you guys to see the styles we have for you guys, because this is a kind of style that will always make you want to flaunt your natural hair. It's that kind of style that's one of my favorite haircut, and it can be done with any texture of hair, whether you have the thick hair or you have the thin hair. It can be done on any kind of hair, and this is another beautiful short haircut that would look best for beautiful matured women. It's that kind of hairstyle that will make it look beautiful, that will make your hair healthy, and it will always make your style to look so stunning and dashing. If you're really looking for that versatile haircut that you can style in different ways, that kind of low maintenance short hairstyles that will take many years off your age, I would just like you guys to please watch this video to the end. And if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. I just want you guys to see this cut we have for you guys. You're not going to regret watching this beautiful hairstyle, because you can go for those beautiful short hairstyles here. And I recommend this style if you really have 3 to 4 inches of hair, because it can always be achieved when you have some beautiful hair that will require no time and will be so easy to style. So a leave-in moisturizing lotion is great, and a coil sponge to achieve your natural twist, because when you make sure the sides are lower than the hair on top, you can come out looking more beautiful than this on the screen. I appreciate you. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.